Hauser fans, I'm Mandy, and thanks for tuning in for our Who's Hauser segment with our very own installation manager, Joe Vires.
Hi.
So let's get to know a little bit about Joe. Joe, how long have you been here at Hauser?
This August will be my 19th year.
So it's very impressive. Obviously some really good work ethic there. So how did you become Hauser's installation manager?
Well, I started here right out of high school, and I was an apprentice. I'd done that for around a year. Started doing tune-ups. After I had done tune-ups for probably a year, I decided I wanted to further my career. So I became a lead installer, and I ran crews for about 10 years. And then after that, I became manager, and I've been managing for the last 3 years.
That's great. So what would you say is your favorite part about HVAC installation?
My favorite part was always the end of the job, because I could take a customer down, show them the install. They could tell like I took pride in what I done. So being able to talk to them, make sure they're happy with everything, because I would never leave until the customer was happy.
And that's great, because that's what Hauser is all about, is customer satisfaction. So we do appreciate that from your guys' department and your team. How many crews do you currently work with at Hauser?
I'm currently running 4 crews. I have 2 main teams, so I have 8 employees out in the field right now.
And how many installs would you say that you guys are doing a week?
I'd say, depending on the time of year, 25 to 40.
So hopefully we'll have a busy summer.
Right.
And that being said, you may have some opportunity for employment on your team?
I do. Right now I'm searching for a lead installer and an apprentice. And I mean, there's always room for more as well, so.
So if you're looking for employment on Joe's team, feel free to go ahead and check out our website at www.hauserair.com to complete an online application. That being said, enough about business. Do you mind sharing something interesting about yourself, Joe?
Enjoy going to Bigfoot conventions.
Bigfoot conventions.
Cool.
That's great. So we learn something new every day. So I want to thank Joe for taking the time to sit down with me and go over a little bit about your position as well as yourself. And thank you to our Hauser fans for tuning in, and we hope to see you guys next time on our Who Hauser segment.